Do you want this type of watermark? Then let me teach you. Open InShot. Click on Faux. Add a blank page. Click on Background. Now select any shade of green. Now add our text which you want as our watermark. Now increase the border width and keep other options on default. Select the text font you want. Now select the sticker you want. Now click on Edit option in Borders and select black and increase the width. Now export it. Now select the video and pip the image. Go to Cutout in Chrome. Place it up and remove the InShot watermark and export. Now go back to our video and delete the pip and add the video. Remove the background. Done. Now comment if you have any doubt and subscribe for more.